I love going through roundabouts. Probably my favoriteest thing in a tractor trailer. Swinging the trailer around like I'm some kind of pro. That is an easy one. Smaller ones are a little bit more difficult. I love it. But I can't say I like this delivery. That's the thing. It's like some of these places I gotta drive into are just absolutely nuts. But this bridge is kind of cool. I mean, driving off of there wouldn't be very fun, but pretty cool. All the way down this into the worst possible place you could take a tractor trailer. I'm sure there's worse, but I hate it. I think we got one more roundabout I'm going to go through. Actually, I'm not gonna. I'll come back out that way. It'll be easier. I'll probably turn left here. Clear. Last time I went that way, but then coming out right here because of that barrier, making that right-hand turn is a pain in the butt. So it's just way easier this way. At least I hope it is, because this is what I'm doing. But yeah, this is just not it. And then the street I gotta turn in on here